I've had people who worked in the industry and teachers tell me what it's like, but you don't really know what to expect until you do something firsthand. A company like Beta is a good place to start.
Growing up, you always see a substation, but you never really knew what it was.
We took a trip to a substation that was mid-construction.
It was eye-opening to see all the civil engineering work that can be done in a substation.
It's just amazing to see what actually goes into building something like that.
I've gotten to work on projects across the country, learning things in school, kind of learning concepts, and being able to actually apply it in a real-world setting is pretty cool.
If I had to boil it down into kind of an unprofessional answer, it was just fun.
My favorite social activity, I would say the cornhole we do every week.
I love going to play cornhole. Everybody's in there hanging out.
Every week I meet someone new and I get to build connections with people.
I feel more prepared for the workforce because of the invaluable experience I've been able to gain.
I really like to be able to help people, make it easier on them in an every day-to-day basis.
From the first day I walked in, everybody was so welcoming.
Every single interaction that I've had and everyone I've talked to, they're really invested in what they talk about. They all care.
A company like Beta is a good place to start and a good place to stay.